This year, the meeting is being organized by 3 societies. When the idea of bridging the worlds of endocrinology, it was quite obvious that a wonderful venue would be Turkey, because Turkey is at the crossroads and serving as a bridge for hundreds of years between East and West, past and future, and tradition and contemporary.
Your name?
Vera Popovic.
Your country?
Serbia.
My name is Jens Bollerslev from the University of Oslo in Norway, representing the European Society of Endocrinology.
My name is Dr. Rezvanian from Iran.
Tamar Zerekidze, I am from Georgia.
Duarte Pingantelli from Portugal.
Gary Hammer, United States.
My name is Dr. Faiza Gari.
Your country?
Saudi Arabia.
My name is Simona Fica. I am from Romania, Bucharest.
Lydia.
Your country?
I'm from Kenya.
What is EndoBridge for you?
Oh, it's a big discussion on hormones, and it's a worldwide experience from US, Europe, and Turkey.
EndoBridge is a new initiative of high importance.
It's very fantastic for us.
First time here, and I hope I will attend the next EndoBridges too, because it was very interesting.
It's a wonderful congress. I wasn't expecting to be so good.
So EndoBridge is particularly a wonderful opportunity for collaboration.
Mainly is a clinical practice rather than only research.
It was a very clever idea of the Turkish society.
And more importantly, it actually brings all these cultures together.
How was the meeting for you?
Excellent.
I think it was great. I think the venue is extraordinary. The hospitality of the Turkish Society is fantastic.
Well, the meeting's fantastic.
It was great, really. I like it so much.
So far, so good. We've had some very interesting keynote lectures.
And it's a pleasure to notice that there will be very good endocrinologists in the future.
So once again, thank you for being here today and hope to see you at the next EndoBridge.